Hey there, viewers! Who doesn't want a shiny, beautiful smile? As beautiful as your pearlies look, it takes a lifetime to keep them healthy. You might already have beautiful teeth, but are you taking steps every day to keep them strong? In today's video, we'll talk about 11 ways to get beautiful, stronger teeth. Brushing helps, but what's the right way to do it? Should you get fluoride toothpaste? Are sugar-free gums helpful? What about cutting sugar from your diet and reducing your dairy intake? We'll talk about all of these and more. Number 1. Brushing teeth. There's a reason our moms always told us to brush our teeth. They knew you needed to brush twice a day in order to maintain them. Experts say harmful bacteria can get to your teeth through the food and drinks you consume every day. When the bacteria piles up in your mouth, they cause cavities. Brushing your teeth every day can remove these bacteria, avoiding mineral loss and cavities. Brushing in a gentle circular motion goes a long way in protecting your teeth from cavities. There are a few things you need to make sure of first, like your toothbrush. A good brush has soft bristles that are able to bend and get under the gum. You'll also need to make sure you're not scrubbing too hard. The plaque on your teeth is soft and loose. It's not like you're scrubbing the bathroom tile. Be gentle, like you're giving your teeth a massage. Rushing through your brush time is unhelpful. Take at least 2 minutes. It's worth it in the long run. Also, I hope you aren't holding on to your toothbrush for too long. I get it, you got an amazing toothbrush and you want to hold on to it. You still have to throw it away after 3 or 4 months. Last, but definitely not least, you can't just go back and forth while cleaning your teeth. Go in circular motions, up and down on your teeth and gums. Don't forget the gum line, that's where bacteria can easily develop. Do you brush your teeth twice a day? Which is your favorite toothbrush brand? Do you use a manual or electronic toothbrush? Share your preferences with the Bestie community in the comments below. Number 2. Fluoride toothpaste. When brushing, you need to make sure the toothpaste you use has fluoride. Toothpaste with fluoride helps reduce demineralization in your teeth. In fact, experts don't even approve of any toothpaste that doesn't have fluoride. Fluoride can strengthen your teeth and help you avoid decay. Fluoride is usually looked down upon but can be really important for your oral health. Fluoride forms a protective barrier on your teeth and fights bacteria that cause decay. Number 3. Cut out sugar. Most dentists will tell you to cut down on sugar and chocolate if you want to take good care of your teeth. This is because sugar is acidic. It breaks down your tooth enamel by working with the bacteria in your mouth. One study found it's about how many times you eat sugar in a day rather than the quantity of sugar you eat. It basically means that eating small sugary bites every few hours causes more damage than eating one big dessert once in a while. You can cut down on sugar by replacing sugary carbonated drinks with healthier alternatives like green tea and smoothies. Next up, replace sugar-loaded desserts with lighter options. For example, frozen fruit popsicles are healthier than ice cream. Another way sugar sneaks into your diet is through canned foods and low-fat products. Opt for natural, unprocessed foods because they're lighter on your body than their sugar-loaded counterparts. Number 4. Sugar-free gum. Eating gum has been seen as a way to take care of your teeth, but it's important to make sure it's sugar-free. Sugar-free gum can actually help remineralize your teeth. Research has shown sugar-free gum can eliminate plaque and sugar from your teeth. It also encourages your salivary glands to make more saliva. If your sugar-free gum has xylitol and sorbitol, it's shown to be the best barrier to avoid losing minerals from your teeth. It's best to chew your gum right after you finish your meals. Number 5. Reduce your fruit consumption. Eating fruit is highly recommended as it has many nutritional benefits, but eating too many fruits can be bad for your teeth as they're very acidic. This is especially the case with citrus fruits like grapes and oranges. The acids from fruits start a process called calcium chelation, in which they attach to the teeth and remove the calcium. Fruit juice is worse for your teeth as they contain added sugar as well as more acids. The best thing to do would be to eat fruits only on occasion and completely stay away from fruit juice. Number 6. Get more calcium and vitamins. Your teeth are made of calcium, but the acids and bacteria from the food and drinks you consume strip it away. So, to keep your teeth from rotting, you need to add calcium-rich foods to your diet. One study showed eating cheese rich in calcium can offset the effects of consuming sugar. It's not just calcium that can help protect your teeth. Vitamins are equally important. Results from a study showed taking vitamin D supplements guard your teeth from cavities. You can check with your doctor about taking multivitamin supplements to ensure you're getting all the vitamins you need. Before we move ahead, here's a video you might like. Watch this video to know more about nuts you should eat and those that you need to avoid. Number 7. Reduce dairy product consumption. Dairy products also have calcium in them, which can be helpful for strengthening your teeth. But the downside is that the lactose in dairy products can raise the acidity levels in your mouth. It's not mandatory for you to completely get rid of dairy products. Instead, you can look for lactose-free ones. You can also try other alternatives such as soy-based or almond-based milk. Number 8. Dry mouth. If your salivary glands are not producing enough saliva, then you'll have dry mouth. Not only is that an uncomfortable situation, it also means there isn't enough protection against cavities. This is because saliva contains phosphate and calcium, which are important for your teeth. A study showed saliva plays an important role in remineralization of the teeth. There are options such as gum and mouthwash, which can keep your mouth from drying up. Number 9. Drink more water. If you ask any doctor about what liquids you should be drinking, almost everyone would suggest water as their first choice. It's the best way to remove harmful stuff from your body, and it doesn't have any sugar in it. It's the same with your teeth. Rinsing your mouth with water will make sure demineralization is kept to a minimum. It can work as a temporary alternative for times you don't have a toothbrush handy. Drinking water after consuming sugary foods also helps prevent damage to your teeth. Coffee and tea are the most preferred beverages among adults, but they do little to help your teeth. If you add sugar to them, your teeth will get hurt. The same goes for sodas. So drinking water on the regular is your best option to keep your teeth strong. Number 10. Flossing. Even if you're always brushing, flossing is an equally important part of tooth care. You don't just floss to remove food particles from your mouth. You reduce inflammation as well as plaque. Flossing may sometimes be difficult, especially in the case of children and older adults with arthritis, but there are devices available that can help you with flossing. Ready-to-use flossers are one option. Number 11. Going to the dentist. While your daily dental habits are very important to keep your teeth healthy, it's also important to visit your dentist at least twice a year. Your dentist will look for cavities while doing the necessary cleaning. If you tend to have cavities or gingivitis, visits to your dentist are mandatory. They find issues and give you treatment options. The battle for healthy teeth is certainly an uphill one, but if you take it one step at a time, you'll get to that shining smile. All you need to do is learn the important stuff, like recognizing the signs of calcium deficiency. Scientists have even discovered a drug that fixes cavities and regrows teeth. Here's what you need to know. Watch 19 Signs You're Suffering from Calcium Deficiency. Or how about learning more on the drug that fixes cavities and regrows teeth? Go ahead, click one, or better yet, watch both, and learn more about how to make your teeth healthier. Did you know about any of these methods before watching this video? Let us know in the comments below.